Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Fitbit Charge 6 with iPhone. First, download the Fitbit application from the Apple App Store onto your iPhone. Next, ensure your iPhone's Bluetooth is turned on. Before you begin, fully charge your Fitbit Charge 6 device. Once charged, open the Fitbit app and follow the clear, step-by-step on-screen instructions to successfully pair your new fitness tracker with your iPhone. This initial setup is quick and easy. Navigating your Charge 6 is intuitive. You can swipe up, down, left, and right on the vibrant display to explore various metrics like steps, heart rate, and notifications, or to access different applications. A quick press of the physical side button will take you back to your main clock face or open up quick settings for easy adjustments. Remember, you can personalize your watch face and notification preferences directly within the Fitbit app on your iPhone. Plus, track over 20 distinct exercise modes right from your wrist. Your Fitbit Charge 6 seamlessly syncs all your health and fitness data to your iPhone. Simply ensure the Fitbit app is open and your devices are within Bluetooth range for automatic updates. Within the app, you can delve into detailed metrics such as your continuous heart rate, comprehensive sleep stages, and daily activity levels. You can also set personalized daily goals for steps, active zone minutes, and calories burned. The app provides valuable, personalized insights and health reports based on your tracked information, helping you understand your wellness journey better. To maximize your Charge 6 experience, take advantage of its built-in GPS for precise outdoor activity tracking, even when your iPhone isn't with you. Explore smart features like Google Wallet for convenient contactless payments and Google Maps for turn-by-turn directions right on your wrist. For maintenance, keep your device clean by gently wiping it with a soft, damp cloth. Finally, always ensure you install regular software updates through the Fitbit app to enjoy the latest features and optimal performance from your Fitbit Charge 6.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.